Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Nakadaw ka jing kanker dep jong sorkar ya kari India brok away. Komisi Pentah Penyakit Persya ya ka jing pang COVID-19. Ka jaka kan shows nam ka badan hasar jawai, ni ka jawai blood bank. Ka badan hakasinong panelir, kalai kendo jing nakadaw ka jing bom dan show kasnam, ban ash kinong pang ki badan kam kerki kasnam, haba kidan hapadang ka jing syak sumar po hospital. Kumta ki bot penya jong ni ka jaka kan shows nam, kilapan jing rap na ka North East Adventist College. Ka badan hakasinong klik terci, bat ki bot penya jong ni college, tang syuk pedang ni ka jing kerpat. Kat sawut kisam pulia jong ni college, hapo ka jing lam jong lecturer ka sociology department. U job kaul ni kilawan ban ais ngobha yala kasnam syak ni ka jaka kan show ha ka nyau trep jemang arjar arpo.
70 Adventist yang ga klik darsi North East Adventist College kajimut ito yo promote kemen jimut yang ito yo promote ya ganiga blood donation kam ki khandro yang ga balang kwa yu penyo chakiwi gibru wa phile ye phi kam ki khandro yo phu ya snam kam tam ya gibru gi wa em kam pun gibru hini ha thai wa em kam ni snam ma ya blau yo lamu ye gani kajimut yang kam tam ya giwi ya giu ya wan lang gam ni isnam yang bau blau yang lang ni phi pro.
This kind of blood donation camp we always organize 2 times every year since 2014 as a church and also as a college also. This time actually we were like planning to organize this kind of blood donation camp in a bigger way to commemorate the Global Youth Day in our Seventh-day Adventist Church, which was to be held in the month of March to 21st March. But because of this COVID-19 pandemic, we cannot organize that one, so we postponed. Yesterday only, I received a call from the Dr. Sheila, who is the blood bank director here, telling us, requesting us that they are in emergency situation. So she requested us to at least provide them 4 units of blood. So when I contact to our leaders there in the church leaders and also to the principal of our college, and then we inform whoever is willing. So now 14 of us coming out, and then we are planning to donate today. So that is the idea. Since it is emergency, usually we used to give more than 20 every blood donation camp. Since our students are well aware, and also these blood bank people are very good, they used to come all the time giving us awareness to our students, even to the high school students also and to the college students. So this time we don't keep no students at all, only 3 boys and 1 girl in the hostel. All those 4 students who cannot go home because of this problem, who are staying back, are all of them are coming out and they are volunteering for this blood donation. We are so thankful for them and for the support from the college leaders and administrators also, and also the blood bank. Especially we want to give thanks to Madam Dr. Sheila for always supporting us in this kind of program. Thank you so much.
Maintenance of adequate blood stock in a blood bank is very essential because blood transfusion is one of the treatment of the severely ill patient. Blood can save life. So to maintain an adequate blood stock is very important during crisis like this. That's why, like you see that because of this lockdown, people coming from far-flung areas, like our patients here in both our hospital, civil hospital, also in Dr. McDonald Hospital, coming from very far places. So these patients, like most of the time, they would come with their relatives in normal days. But now with this lockdown and the fear of this sickness, they would come just 2 of them. Sometimes, on most of the times, it's only the patient plus 1 attendant. So when they have to get a blood transfusion, That attendant, she will not be able to come to give blood. What will she do? She'll look after the patient or she'll come and donate blood. So it's difficult for them also to arrange for blood replacement. As you know, we still take replacement from the patient's relative, like all other blood banks in Nepal are doing. But now with this lockdown happening, it's difficult for the people to come to replace blood. So what we do is that we have to let them go. We have to give from our side only without their replacement. And when we give without replacement, our blood bank, the stock suffers. And who will replenish this stock is the voluntary blood donors only. That's why you see that today the Adventist Church from Palestine is organizing a voluntary blood donation to help people who are in need of blood, to help those people who cannot come to replace the blood that they take from us, to replenish the blood in the blood bank. So you saw me that today that the Seventh-day Adventist Church are coming, they are donating blood. And plus to this, we also had one organization just last week from the RSS Joy unit who donated blood. Though it was a small number, it was their beginning. But then even a single unit, even one unit also will save one life. And saving one life is a very precious thing. It's a noble act. And arranging blood donation, getting voluntary blood donors is very important for our blood bank in situations in times of lockdown, in times of pandemic like this. So it's the voluntary blood donors only who can help us. And we are very happy to have the organization who are always willing to help us. Besides these two organizations that have come, the one last week and today, many other organizations who have been working together with us. I'm very happy and we are we feel so safe, so secure. We feel so happy to just know that they are there. If we need anytime that our blood bank is running short of stock, they're always there. And I'm really very thankful to all of them. And I also would like to give an appeal to our citizens, to the people of Juai, around Juai, those who can come to the blood bank. You can always come to the blood bank anytime from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock.